Oh, I had to do a crypto video, man. I don't know how long this circus is gonna last, but while it's there, enjoy the ride, right? Have a little fun in the clown world. Welcome back to second video. MONAD, mainnet arc. Back in the days, I used to play around with all the stuff I've seen. All the farming, Ponzi's. It was so entertaining and fun. Childish, memes, NFTs, pictures, getting dumped on. All of us laughing at each other, dumping on each other. Wow. I had to grow out of it, you know? So let's enjoy while it's there. But I don't think it's disappearing anytime soon. It's like it's injected into the system right now. There's no going back. But there are a lot of concerns about quantum, Bitcoin, quite a bunch of stuff, which I can discuss some other time, right? But I'm just reporting on this. I mentioned I'm just watching this on the side from the sideline, and used AI. Literally said that you're buying this at premium and etc. etc. I did a video on this, so I have no personal interest. Just trying to learn, see how things work, and show you as well. All right. So keeping all the emotions out. The MON token sale is open until November. Look at this, man. 1.2 million followers came out of nowhere, gained so much of following. Layer 1 blockchain bringing parallel. How many layer 1s and layer 2s do we need? Like, I don't know, dude. It's insanity. No, seriously. Get on all of these. Like, look at the chains here. Optimism, Unichain, ICP, Stone, Aptos. I mean, how much money do we have to print to pump all of these things? And then also all the memes and the shit tokens within it, this ecosystem. There's no going back. It doesn't stop. Look at all this. It's insane, isn't it? Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Look at this. Bitcoin is being dumped by long-term holders due to quantum risk. A quantum computer with sufficient logical qubits will be able to break the private keys of 20 to 30% of the coins. This means that coin is effectively providing, and I wouldn't say this is FUD. This is concerning. And whenever you see the word FUD amongst like following in the comments, that means it's extremely concerning. All right. I mean, that's how it is. So yeah, the last part, the Bitcoin protocol will most likely die once quantum hack starts happening. I won't be surprised, because, you know, the fork can happen. BlackRock, all the top players may say, you know what? All right, we'll create our own Bitcoin. And wherever the money goes, everyone follows, basically. If you remember, right? So again, this is not FUD, just concerning. And man, some of the people in this community, the maxis, they are so loud and wild. I was on this Twitter space last night, where Peter Schiff was speaking along with so many other Bitcoin maxis, and there was one who claimed that he was older than Peter Schiff, and he was cursing out, man. I was like, calm down, cowboy. Dark meter, you don't know anything, you suck, blah blah blah. I'm like, oh my goodness, dude. Be a little civil. How do you even have conversations with someone who's way older than boomer dinosaurs? Yeah, they're always right. Yeah, you don't know anything. I've been reading so many books. I know everything. Okay. Calm down. You hold your BTC, you hold your gold token, boomer token, whatever you want. It's all right. We are just giving our opinion. Some will take it, others will just complain. All right? And the other tiny percentage will just sit in the corner and just cry. What else can we do? What we believe in is not the truth. I mean, you know what I mean. Just because you believe in something doesn't make it the truth. So anyway, keeping all this aside, MONAD, where are you? Look at the sentiments here. Let's just look at some of the comments. The MON token sale is now live on Coinbase, November 17. The MON token sale is still open. Yeah, I mean, it's open until November 22nd. They're promoting, of course. There's still plenty of time left. MONAD, while the internet is on fire, we are above 100 million on day one. Any reason why New Yorkers aren't eligible for the ICO? New Yorkers can get in. Yep, blame Mamdani, I guess, right? No rush, Nads. Send it. First ICO on Coinbase launchpad, and it's only 48% subscribed. I really thought MONAD would be an instant sellout. Yeah. Dude, they literally raised almost $100 million. Total level 187 billion. Dude. Insanity. Insanity. Raising money through blockchain is the most lucrative thing I've seen. Scheme or whatever you want to call it. Why would anyone want to buy yet another overpriced L1 to line VC pockets while all alts are nuking to zero? These L1s are all grifts. Shocked to see it. How many times I'm going to repeat myself when I say this? And by the way, out of all the garbage comments, there are some good comments though you can discover. Like I just shown you all of this, talking about holding the wrong bag, Like this is some like decent advice that yeah, you can pick, right? This is because there's zero incentive to be earlier. There is strict max cap preventing crypto millionaires to complete it quickly. The target is US and UK retails, not crypto Twitter. Yeah, whoever gets to dump before the other makes it, and the other is gonna hold back. And in between, the exchange owners will extract as much value through fees and whatnot, and get richer and richer and more famous. Not even making it up. This is just all real. They banned Europeans and gave that to the rest. Shit's trash. Just another. They decide whoever they want to allow. At one point, we couldn't get it, Americans. Now Americans have the money. So yeah, and also the regulations, right? It's because nobody wants to become exit liquidity for the dev team. Token allocation isn't transparent at all. The fact that this was the most anticipated chain is honestly hilarious. Better to support Base, no airdrop. Yeah, man. What happened to Base? What happened to Ski? Dude, Ski's literally at all-time low. At one point, some of the top people promoted this from the... Look at this. This is Ski on Base. This used to be one of the most popular. Holy moly. From 1 cent goes all the way to 32 cents. And then look at this. Am I making it up? I feel bad. At one point, I had like several thousand of this, like in USD value, bought back and forth, and I played quite a bit. You can go back and check on it, right? Remember how I lost some money, $1,000? Fartcoin? I bought Fartcoin, made a loss, and got rid of it at 40 cents. 40 cents at a loss, and now it's sitting at 25 cents. Yeah, you sold at a loss. You lost the gains. I can buy back, but I don't have the whole cash for now. Anyways, just a little more comments. Just wanted to give you my 2 cents and also what other people think. Because we only have 24 hours, limited time. If you don't understand the game, then there's no way to win. The only way to win is avoid playing in the first place, right? MONAD had raised 140 million. It just came out from all the gullibles and whatnot, and this is gonna go to so many VCs and so many insider pockets. Does anybody care? It's like a lot of people will be sleeping. By the time they wake up, they'll be like dumped on. And a lot of people will be like busy fighting in their daily jobs and stuff, like, you know, struggling. By the time they get and press the button to sell, they'll be dumped on. I mean, that's a kind of sad thing, man. You gotta be so aggressive in this game. Will they all sell out? What will happen if all quantity is not sold out? How many people wants to get rich on crypto? And guess what that means for all, like the whole thing. Can't we get X5 on this? Why not sold out? Scam token, scam token, scam token, scam. Holy shit, man. Nobody cares. Nobody addresses anything. See, there's no address of nobody cares. Like the project will never answer. None of that. It doesn't matter. This is the crazy part of having just an identity on Twitter. You can just build massive following, put a link out there, and just wait for the money to roll in. Fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. And the money, the best part of crypto is that it's cross-border, international, accepted. So you don't have to wait for Americans to wake up and, you know, get into this. While Americans are sleeping, you can wait on the other side of the world to pump it. Yes, ladies and gents, this is the crypto world we live in right now, sadly. We have all the big billionaires and millionaires and literally telling us every single day that this is what they're buying and this is what they're selling. Sometimes I think we should wonder, like, why do they want us to know that? As if they care so much for us. No, I mean, is that wrong to ask? Like, is it wrong to be curious? When you have Grant Cardone, aka alleged grifter, you have a bunch of Michael Saylors, aka scamsies, you know, they claim to be whatever. And they are like, yeah, I'm buying this, I'm buying that. Just, okay, go for it, man. Who's stopping you, cowboy? Just don't let us know. Don't distract us. We have other things to do in this society, like add some value and all whatnot. You guys just have massive following and all the algos feed your stuff to us. That's a sad part. Can't do nothing. Like, that's, yeah, we can only focus on what we can control. And the rest, right? Like, you can, it's up to you whether you want to participate on MONAD or any other token. I can control that. It's on you. I'm just reporting and just telling you exactly how things work out, man. It's pretty wild. All right? I wouldn't be even surprised if this fills up and whatnot. But yes, like, they're mocking this. Several people, like, surprised that it's slower than expected, but solid demand for a first launch. I mean, 100 million? We have seen like $1 billion, man. Diluted value in Finance and all the Ponzi's we have played with. Finance, if you remember. But it was crypto.com in the previous run. It was crypto.com, the Crow chain, the Kronos chain, and now they're just pushing the base chain which connects to Coinbase. Anyways, just wanted to share. Let me know your opinion. I'm out.